Hi all, welcome to Electro Valley. This is Sam. Today I'm going to do a quick unboxing of D-Link wireless dual band router AC750. What is dual band router? What is the difference between the previous old router which we already had? I'm gonna talk about that in the same video. So watch the video till the end, and if you're new to the channel, please subscribe, and if you like the video, please like and share. So without any delay, let's do a quick unboxing. Alright guys, so this is the D-Link AC750 wireless dual band router which we're going to do unboxing. This is a very powerful router, so there are some specifications I will explain throughout the unboxing. Let's unbox it. Open this. Okay, so here we have some manuals. Let's keep it aside. We got here the device we have, which is a router, and we have one power adapter. So keep it aside, and a LAN cable. For your configuration of router, you need that. So let's look into the front panel. This is the monitor which we have. This is a power indicator. When you power up the device, this will be start glowing, and this is 2.4G, means 2.4 gigahertz. So this device is high speed simultaneous dual band router, which means we get 2.4 gigahertz with the speed up to 300 Mbps, and we have 5 gigahertz speed up to 433 Mbps. So that is a very awesome speed. So nowadays the fiber net is there everywhere. You need a dual band router for that, and this is glowing, then you have the internet in your device. So this is what we have, the main key of it, and we have back panel too. This is the reset hall to reset entire configuration. So if anything goes wrong, you forgot your password or something, you are not able to log in, then you have to use this hall to reset the entire configuration of your router. And here we have the power button. So this will allow you to switch on and turn off the device. And this, you can see the 12 volt DC in, where we're going to connect this adapter. The power adapter will be plugging into that, and will power up the device. And here we have VPS. If you configure the VPS into that, then you can press this to work with that. And here you have internet. It's a console port where you can configure your router. So you will be connecting this Ethernet cable to configure the router. And we have other 4 Ethernet ports. You can see 1, 2, 3, 4 LANs. So this will allow you to share your internet to other 4 devices. It can be your TV, it can be your desktop, it can be your laptop also. So this is it. So nothing much is there with this device. So it's a powerful device. You know that speed nowadays we have fiber net available, which means it's a high speed compared to the old DSL internet. Almost all the internet service providers upgraded to fiber net today. So this is required. If you want to use that fiber net high speed internet, you need a much more powerful Wi-Fi network devices. So I could say this device will be a smart choice from your end. Another thing to say about this is the antennas. We have 3 high gain external antennas, which gives you extreme range of the coverage in throughout your home. So for a home purpose, it's a very good router which covers you an entire area of your home. So it's a best option also added to that. Okay, so that's it guys. This is what we got here. D-Link 12 band router AC 750. In case you want to buy the product, I will leave the link in the description. Thank you for watching the video. If you like the video, please like and share. If you're new to the channel, please subscribe. In case you want to buy the product, I'll leave the link in the description. Thank you.